My friend, about a settle for less, aim higher, think bigger, and carry the greatest attitude. There are bigger, better, and greater things waiting for you. Not by chance, not by luck, but by faith, focus, and attitude. Your mindset shape your destiny. Your thoughts carve the path where lead you to your breakthrough. My friend, when you choose the greatest attitudes, you see opportunity where other people see obstacle. You understand me? Hope where other people see despair, and possibility where other people see limits. God called we fi rise, fi grow, fi reach higher, fi be bold and courageous and unshaken in the pursuit and promises. Because when the attitude align with the faith, the bigger, better, and greater start to manifest in your life. So rise to them, my friend. Adjust your mindset and carry yourself like the greatness where God planned for you already in your life. Let me tell you about Philippians 4 verse 3 in the Bible, because we can't do not without the Bible. It is the word of God. We can do all things through Christ will give me strength. So my friend, find the word, read it, and gain your strength so you can get the greatest attitude and get what God have planned for your life. All right. God love you. I love you. Peace.